So when our training focuses a ton upon movement patterns, a lot of what we're going to do is unilateral movements as opposed to bilateral movements. Now the difference is bilateral, two, you're going to use two sides of your body, both sides of your body. So your squats, your rowing, your push-ups, everything you're using two hands, two legs for. Whereas in real life, in everyday movement, that's not always the case. You're not always in perfect balance. So we do a lot of unilateral movements to strengthen yourself up in both sides of your body without having one side, the dominant side, be able to compensate for the side that is perceived to be a little bit weaker. And I hear it all the time when we're doing these unilateral movements. Most recently, when we were just doing a pulling movement with a lot of our clients, oh, my right hand is so much stronger than my left, or vice versa, which isn't necessarily the case in the vast majority of cases. It's actually the fact of you can just control that side of your body a little bit better. So it's exactly what makes it your dominant side of your body. It's not dominant because it's stronger. It's dominant because your brain has a better connection to that side of your body than the other. And it can send signals to those muscle groups a little bit faster, meaning that you can control it a little bit easier than you can your other side. So take me, for instance. I am left-handed, which means that my left side is way more controlled than my right. Now, obviously, I got some neurological issues in the past that also make it a little bit difficult for my right side, but at the same time, the general premise is the same. So my left arm is going to feel stronger than my right arm, or at least it did before I really started getting into training. But the more you do it, the more equipped, the better your brain is going to become. You're teaching your brain to send signals to that side of your body. It's just like anything else that we talk about here. You can teach your metabolism to get faster. You can teach your muscles to contract harder. You can teach your muscle fibers to twitch faster, making you more explosive. You can teach your brain, your neurological signals, to get sent to muscles faster so that you understand movement patterns better. So it's not necessarily the fact that you're weaker or stronger on one side of your body than the other. It's the fact of if you struggle with one side of your body over the other, it's the fact that you just need more practice at that. And you just need to get better at controlling it. And it's gonna happen through practice. But I'm gonna tell you, in the real world, those unilateral movements are not gonna go away. So make sure that you are practicing them here inside the gym with some added resistance so that when you go out there, life's just easier.